That smell is unbelievable, no?
Give me one of those pieces right now.
Oh my God, you son of a... This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano. And today, we're making a dish called Chicken Rockefeller. Please like and subscribe to Cookin' in Brooklyn and the Bridgeside Network. So let's get going, because this dish is so money, you don't even know it, baby. Woo! Hey, go Bridgeside. So for the ingredients, we got some spinach, some chicken, some flour, mozzarella, some butter, bacon, and marsala wine. I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we're gonna get to that a little bit later. But we're gonna start off with our bacon. And who doesn't like bacon? If you don't, just shut the show off right now. So let's place the bacon in the frying pan. Some nice strips over here.
Damn, that bacon looks so good. I'll even eat it raw.
You wanna eat it raw?
Maybe.
Absolutely not on this show.
You might need a bigger pan than this.
Probably should have thought about that before. Too far ahead. So you don't want the raw bacon? Maybe I changed my mind.
Just throw it in there, it's all right, it will cook.
All right, so we're gonna cook the bacon, but I don't wanna fully cook the bacon through because we are gonna throw this later in the oven. While the bacon's cooking here, let's talk about this dish. It's called Rockefeller. So originally, oyster Rockefeller is where it really came from. And when the dish was plated, a customer said, I would name this Rockefeller because it's so rich and it was so green that it reminded them of the color of money, of course. And that's how they got the name Rockefeller. So you don't only have to do it with oysters now, we're doing it with chicken. And if it was in today's time and that dish was plated, I'd call it chicken a la Bezos.
You might want to flip those.
Time to flip. Oh, you son of a... All right, so quick tip. You might not want to cook bacon naked. Grab this dish over here. This way we can drain some of the oil.
Maybe you want to keep those over here.
Exactly not what we're gonna do. By the time this dish is cooked, I'll have no more bacon left. So I'm gonna leave this, and we're gonna put this as far away from David as we possibly can for now. All right, so I got some cooking oil already in the pan. Let's heat that up. All right, so we're gonna grab our chicken and we're gonna start to flour our chicken, and we're gonna place that right into the oil.
I wish I could just bathe in flour.
All right, so just like the bacon, we're not gonna fully cook this chicken right now. We just wanna fry it a little bit on both sides because it's gonna go into the oven again. And that's when it'll definitely cook inside, but you wanna keep an eye on this. You don't wanna burn this. All right, so we browned the sides of the chicken. Let's shut this flame off. I don't know why I'm screaming. And we're gonna grab this dish. Right.
Nice and golden brown. It's beautiful.
I'm just gonna lightly drain this because I know you like the oil, baby. You like the fat. All right.
Leave a little in there for me.
A little bit, okay?
That's where it gets the flavor.
All right, so moving on. We got our flame on. We're gonna grab our butter. Plop that right in, let that melt. It's like a ice skating ring over here.
All right, I lied. If there was anything to bathe in, I'd bathe in butter.
There you go. Flour and butter for Dave. Like I said before, there's never enough butter. The Milanos, they don't live long, but they eat good. We're gonna grab a little bit of flour, and we're gonna throw that right into the butter. We're gonna grab our marsala wine and dump that right in. And we're gonna grab our chicken, and we're gonna place our chicken right in.
You can just smell the wine burn off there.
All right, so the marsala wine reduced a little bit here, and it's time to move on to our next step. So we're gonna grab our bacon tray. I'm gonna place it over here for now. That's great. Well, at least you're eating.
Good sauce, good sauce.
All right, and I'm gonna grab our chicken, and we're gonna place it right onto the tray.
I hope you're gonna be using that sauce later.
Of course, Dave, please. All right, so this is where the greenery comes into play. We got our spinach, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay it right on top of the chicken. Spread that out. Then we're gonna grab our bacon. Dave, don't touch it. There's an extra piece, you'll get it.
I gotta sit on my hands over here.
All right,
For the restraint.
Put the bacon on.
Please let there be extra, please let there be extra, please let there be extra.
Oh, it's gonna be a tight one, Dave. Today's your lucky day.
I struck gold. Like a Rockefeller.
Nice. Now we're gonna grab our mozzarella. We'll throw that right on top.
Oh, it's beautiful.
All right, so we got the chicken, we got our spinach, we got our bacon, we topped it off with some mozzarella, and it's time to throw it into the oven.
I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Now we're just gonna leave it in the oven until the mozzarella melts, and Dave, we're almost there, all right? So in the event, if you're doing a cooking show in real time, if you forget that you left the flame on and it starts to dry up, a little secret, just a little splash of water, a little mixity mix. That's tip number 2 now I gave you. All right, so our mozzarella is melted. We're ready to take this out of the oven.
That's a sight to
Look
behold
at that,
right there.
All right, so we're gonna grab these and place this back into the pan with the marsala. Just warm the marsala back up.
Can I help you there a little bit?
We're gonna grab that and we're gonna pour this juice right on top. And just like that, you got chicken Rockefeller. Dave, time to eat. Bon appetit.
Thank you. Wow, I just gotta say how beautiful that looks. I mean,
Forget about the looks. It's all about the bite. It's all about the bite.
you're right. Forget this mushy stuff.
Get in there.
So good. So rich. Like a Rockefeller. I love the taste of the marsala wine. It has a nice sweetness to the dish.
But when David doesn't talk, that means it's very, very good.
I'm speechless. What can I say? Now you want to keep talking? All right, keep talking. I'll keep eating.
On that note, we're gonna wrap it up. This has been another Cookin' in Brooklyn, and remember, you don't need to be rich to eat like a Rockefeller.
God knows I'm not.
Go Bridgeside.
Guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Cookin' in Brooklyn and to the Bridgeside Network. And guys, if you try this at home, please send us some pictures. Matter of fact, if you try any dishes at home, send us those pictures because we want to see them. Thank you very much. We love you.